In this video, we show you around Otter Lake Park. We make sticky toffee pudding, show you how we don't get bored at home, take you shopping in Canada, and finally, Trevor gets a haircut. What could go wrong?
Hi, I'm Shawna.
Hi, I'm Trevor. We suck.
We're the Portly Travelers. So we're filming a video on what we're doing while we're in isolation and not traveling. This will be our last video of this type, and then we're going back to our travel vlogs and travel videos. We've had a rough afternoon filming. There's been so much to distract us. We're at Otter Lake Park in Armstrong, British Columbia. In BC, we're encouraged to use our parks as much as possible as long as we social distance. And I tell you, we've spent an afternoon here and we've seen a float plane take off 3 times. A deer, ducks, and horses. While we've been home, we've been baking and cooking mostly ethnic foods to kind of make it feel like we're traveling.
So our favorite sinful quarantine food has definitely been sticky toffee pudding. So here's some footage of us really as a team effort making that.
Trevor's been in the shop as well, working on odds and ends of the honey-do list and making a catio.
Just a small thing out of scrap wood.
Yes.
Certainly not fine carpentry.
We're those people. We have 2 cats. Bobby wants to just stay inside and sleep in the sun, and Scooter wants to go out for a walk every day. And of course we go grocery shopping every week to 2 weeks. At the end of February in BC, grocery shopping was a little chaotic. There was a lot of panic shopping, so you couldn't find a lot of things actually. There's a lot of empty shelves. But now in BC it's calmed down and you can pretty much find everything you want except for stewed tomatoes and yeast.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And
it's a lot like playing Pac-Man, avoiding people and social distancing, and it's kind of lots of disinfectant and hand sanitizer, and if you fail like in Pac-Man you get eaten by the ghost and you die.
I don't know about that.
We're also planning our next adventure, which looks like it'll be a road trip within BC, and then a road trip within Canada, And then hopefully
one day
we'll still be able to afford to travel internationally, and we're looking at either Eastern Europe or the Middle East. What do you think? Where should we go? Now, we're gonna do what everyone else is doing at home. We're gonna cut Trevor's hair. Yay! He's gonna look like Mr. Clean After if I screw this up, which I probably will. I'm not a hairdresser.
Oh well, I prefer short hair to this, so it'll work out. Hi guys, it's haircut day.
It's getting a little long.
Yeah, a little shaggy. It's time.
This is before. Trevor hasn't seen this yet, but I'm covered in hair. There's hair everywhere. I went for the, what do you call it? Delousing in a communist country prison. Look. Hello, inmate number 45679843221.
Okay, show me the video now.
You haven't seen it, have you?
No.
How was your haircutting experience with Shawna Cutters today?
There was a few concerning phrases like oops and ooh.
Well, there's a few oopses. I mean, it's completely even and you'll love the style of delouse. It's all the trend right now in 2020.
Thanks.
So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our travel vlogs coming up. We're on Instagram and Twitter as Portly Travelers. We'll see you all in the next video. Stay safe, everyone.